swear in this? Because I already am.
Yeah, it's just kids that watch. That's great.
Good.
I'm not usually allowed to swear in my interviews. This is kind of refreshing.
Swear all you want. Take your shirt off if you want.
Uh,
Hi guys, welcome to Drag Nipples. My name is Bran and this is Alisse, Lee, Goldenberg, and Tran.
Woo!
They wrote this book, Bath Salts.
the conceit of the novel is that we both are keeping diaries during the zombie apocalypse.
Right.
So when it's her writing, it's literally her thoughts, her words. And when I'm writing, it's slightly different. So you will often have like the same events told from two different point of views.
How do you guys know each other?
We met in England, like, a long time ago.
We were doing an OAC English course in London.
OAC.
Yeah, way back when there was an OAC.
Don't think about how old we are.
Well, today we're going to make your nipples all zombie-rific.
Drag your nips, baby.
So we're doing zombie
Yes.
drag nipples
Yes.
in honor of your zombie-themed novel.
Well, I've never decorated anyone's nipples before, so
You're missing out.
Yeah.
I'm going to draw an outline.
Okay.
Let's start here.
I
Should
think it
this
would-
drag zombie have eyebrows?
Yes.
My nipples I've learned are cockeyed, so you're.
Cockeyed. There you go.
Are we talking about cocks now?
I'm now painting you with liquid latex.
What is liquid latex?
We're about to find out.
It smells like fish. Or glue. Oh, it's so weird. That's gonna hurt coming off.
Oh god, it's gonna be like waxing your nipples.
The best part of this is watching.
I am now going to attempt to add depth and definition to within the eyeballs by painting over the liquid latex. Will this work?
Are
We
they
shall
set?
find out.
I'm not doing any makeup shit because I know fuck all about makeup.
This is blood.
Oh, it looks so real.
It'll make you blind.
Oh, that's his problem.
Oh yeah, he looks like Mary from Little House on the Prairie when she went blind.
Take careful where you flick that.
What's the worst that can happen?
I can get some shit on you. You're wearing black. This is gray.
Yeah, it's from Sears. Calm down.
Gonna be adding some grays and greens and blacks.
But this is your real eyeshadow.
Well, yeah, that's why I'm using a fresh sponge.
Okay. I just want you to get some weird nipple infection in your eye.
That.
Oh, that's gross. I like that.
Okay, so you guys wrote a book. Now you're working on a sequel.
Yeah?
When is it coming out?
When we write it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, should I start actually dragging the nipples now? Because this is a drag queen zombie.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So
Alright,
for
then.
that,
I
we've
forgot how am I
got
supposed to do this again?
sparkly.
Sexual, sparkly eyelashes.
Yeah, where do you want your gunshot?
I don't know. Do victims ever have a choice?
You can do that. I'll give them maggots.
Oh.
How are you?
Have you guys ever done this to someone before?
I've made zombies before, but never out of somebody's nipples. I usually work with the face that they have on
Right.
their, face.
The Christian face. Can we do a recap of what happened? Alisse Lee Goldenberg, take it away.
I used a crayon, and I drew the outline of eyeballs and eyelids around his nipples. I then filled in the eyeballs with liquid latex. I then covered him with horror flesh. I used some face paint to make eyebrows and add color and definition. And then I used eyeshadow to just add dimension and color in, and fake blood for dripping and effects. And then these beautiful fake eyelashes. And now we're doing temporary tattoos to complete the look.
Guys, make sure you check out Bath Salts, Alisse Lee Goldenberg and Tran's book about zombie apocalypse and how they survive or don't survive. Okay. Ah! Ah!
Look,
Ah! Fuck! Just kidding.
I think we got a zombie.
I think so.
This is so great. Do you want to say any final words about your book?
Buy it.
But links are all below. Follow them on Twitter and Facebook, Instagram, all the social medias. Bye, subscribe, I hate you. Just kidding, I love you.
Does everything I say have to be edited?
No. Not that.